channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how I came up with this butterfly locks, okay? And if you want to see how I achieved this look, stick and stay, don't go anywhere, and I'll see you at the end, okay? So guys, as you can see, I've braided my hair using this pressure to give it a bit of length because my hair is quite short, okay? And I parted the hair into 40 parts, 18 at the back and 22 at the front. The hair that we'll be using is the water wave Freetress hair, and also we're going to be using the Marley braid. This is the soft and silk one, or kinky hair you might want to call it, okay? So let's get started. Alright, so first of all, I'm just going to crochet the Marley braid into my hair, okay? And whilst I do that, when I'm happy with the way it's in there, I'll just go in, I'll just separate my water wave, okay? Just fluff it up a little bit and obviously start wrapping, okay? And that's what you can see me doing in the video. Just start wrapping the hair around your actual hair. So this hairstyle is all about wrapping, guys. So you just have to get your wrapping skills together, okay? So and that makes it quite easy to do. All right, so towards the end, after finishing using the first part of the hair, I decided to go in and use the second part. But because I wanted to create like a bob look, so I wanted the back to be a bit shorter, I decided to cut off the kinky twist, okay? And I turned around to start wrapping backwards, okay? So I created a bit of a loop at the end and I started wrapping upwards, okay? So you can see me doing that in the video. So I'm wrapping backwards, then I'll just finish it up rubbing the hair in between my palms, and that's it. So yeah, first side of the hair is done. Now left with the other side of the hair. So let's do this, guys, okay? So you crochet the Marley hair or the Afro twist hair or kinky twist hair in your actual hair, okay? And once you crochet that, then you start off by separating the deep twist hair, and once you're happy with it, then you start wrapping, guys. So you might be wondering why I've used the Marley hair on top of my hair. The reason why I've done that is all just to give it a bit of volume, okay? Just to give it a bit of volume and make the hair looks nicer. Yeah, that's the reason why. So once you've done that, towards the end of the hair, which is the blonde side of the hair, that's where I start doing my butterfly locks, okay? So as you can see me doing, you know, I use my thumb to pull the hair out and I just continue to wrap, and that's it. I then go ahead and do the palm action, whereby I wrap the hair in between my palms and I'm done, okay? So I'm gonna show you more of this, so keep watching, all right? Again, I'm gonna show you how to do the thumb action, guys. So just continue to wrap the hair, keep wrapping, all right? So once you get to the blonde side of the hair, all right, you sort of loosen the hair a little bit, you know, you don't wrap it too tight. You use your thumb to pick like a piece of the hair, continue wrapping, and just, you know, keep going. That's all that I did, guys. That's all that I did. So just use your thumb, pick the hair out, and continue wrapping. That's it, okay? Brilliant. That's it. You can see me doing more of this over here because I want you guys to see what I'm actually doing. All right, so when I got to the end of the hair and I'm happy with the size, the length, I just cut off the Marley braid, yeah, and do the palm action. I mean, you can choose to bend the end of the hair, but I just, you know, just do the palm action and that's it. But it's optional, guys. It's optional how you want to end it, as long as it get locked. That's all that matters, okay? Last hairstyle did. Oh my gosh, guys, when I got here I was like, yeah, I'm done, okay? You know the drill, okay? Crochet the hair in, and the Marley hair in, and just, you know, continue to twist, keep twisting, guys. So guys, as I keep saying to you, when you get to the blonde side, you know, do a bit of your butterfly locks, the thumb action, okay? Use your thumb to pull the hair out and just continue to wrap, okay? That's it. Just keep wrapping, okay? All right, So once you finish with the first part of the hair, you move on to the second part of the hair and you continue to wrap. Continue to wrap, continue to wrap, okay? That's it. And you can also do a bit of a thumb action as well as you're wrapping, you know. And that's it, guys. That's it. And when you get to the end and you're happy with the length, you just cut off the excess hair, which is the kinky twist, all right, or the Mali hair, and you cut that off and you wrap it again, wrap it up, then you give it like a palm, the palm wrap. Yeah, you wrap it in between your palms, and that's it. Voila, guys, you are done. You are done. Wow, I'm loving it, guys. What do you guys think? I'm loving this. Go, just want to say this: thank you so much for sticking with me right to the end of this video. And I know you guys have been watching my videos, so please, guys, if you're watching me and if you're not subscribed, please do subscribe and then turn on your notification bell so that anytime I upload the video, you'll be the first to know. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.